All kids working in the United States, including those who were not born here, have lots of rights to keep them safe and make sure they can go to school. This video will explain some of those rights and how to protect them. Labor laws are rules about how employers are required to treat their workers. Some of these laws apply to everyone in the United States, but other laws may be slightly different depending on the city or state where you work. Also, the laws are different for farm jobs. Here are some of the basics. Rules based on your age. Some of these rules protect all workers. Other rules apply to young people at different ages. If you're under 18, employers can't have you do dangerous work. This includes things like driving, using heavy equipment, roofing, doing most factory work, selling things in public places, and more. There are a few additional rules for 14 and 15-year-olds. Youth this age in the U.S. are required to go to school, so you can only work outside of school hours. You're also not allowed to work more than 3 hours on any school day, 8 hours on non-school days, 18 hours during a school week, or 40 hours in one non-school week. We've talked about rules for specific ages and jobs you can't do. Now let's talk about other rules that employers have to follow. Employers can't refuse to pay you for hours that you worked, make you miss school, refuse to give you breaks or days off, use violence, threaten to hurt you or your family, force you to work against your will, or threaten to call immigration or the police, tell you to lie about your age, take your ID, phone, or other belongings, though they can require you to put away your phone during work hours, ask you to do anything illegal or sexual. Employers must pay you for all the hours you work, pay you at least the minimum wage, pay you overtime if you work more than 40 hours in a week, follow the rules about work based on your age, provide you with training on health and safety at work in a language you understand, give you protective equipment like gloves or masks if the job requires it, give you breaks to eat and use the bathroom. Okay, that's a lot of rights. How do you protect them? Start by talking with someone you trust and tell them what's going on. This could be a friend, parent, guardian, teacher, or someone from your community. If you have an attorney or social worker, you can also speak with them. Keep track of where you are working, the hours you are working, how much you expect to be paid, and what seems unsafe. If your boss isn't following the law, you may be able to get help, like getting unpaid wages or help with your immigration status. Head to KIND's website to get more information about where to get help. KIND is a nonprofit organization that helps protect the rights and well-being of unaccompanied children. The information provided is educational and is not legal advice. If you need legal advice, you should talk to an attorney. Thank you for watching.